Hello and good morning to all my dear children. I welcome you all today. This is pleasant morning in our English online class. Today we are going to do the poem Nine Gold Medals by David Lee Roth. It is on page number 90 with section C. Nine gold medals. See, medal means when we take part in any event or any competition, then the winners are backed by the medals. Medals are my gold, silver, and bronze. Gold for the first position, silver for the second position, and bronze for the third positions. Now, here the poet is saying nine gold medals. It means that race or the event that happened, all of them were winners and all of them won the medals, right? This poem is very what we should say, gives a very good lesson, a moral to every sports person, sports lover, right? This unit which we are doing, it's all about sportsman spirit, right? So over here, what are learning objectives we have? From this unit we learn sportsman spirit. Winning and losing is a part of a game, but the spirit we should have in our heart and mind. Kindness, love and respect for the each other, for the team members as well as for the opponent members. It's not that we have lost and we have to be argue or we need to fight. Okay, true sports person. You have to be true. Okay, this is learning objectives: sportsman spirit, kindness, love and respect, and true sportsman person. This poem is all about special children, those who are suffering or those who are being disabled by physically. How this poet, through this poem, has given a message that there is respect, love, and kindness for everyone. Okay, so I am here with page number 90 from a Cambridge book, MCV, Nine Gold Medals by David Roth. So before I start, let's take a warm up. The Olympic Games are held once every 4 years. Olympic Games, okay, that is held every 4 years. In this, every country of this world, all the participants, they are involved. First Olympic was held, that is 1896 in Athens, where 280 participants were there from 13 nations. First Olympic that took place, that started in 1896. Okay, so first Olympics took in 1896 with the 230 participants with 13 nations, countries, people took it. And taking part in Olympics is a very, big achievement, because it is okay. Now, athletes from all over the world train and hard to participate. It's not a piece of a cake. It is, we need to work hard, train ourselves day and night on the field, on the ground, and then we can be the part of this. Winning a medal in Olympics is the ultimate goal, yes. The one who takes part in any event, his or her mind is to win the gold medal, right? So every athlete of world, have you ever heard of the Special Olympics? Special Olympics means that is Olympics for the athletes, for the disability peoples, those who are handicapped from, okay, physically handicapped. So disabled person who have some special problem in particular part of the body in various sports event. Maybe the hand or leg or some part of the body is not functioning well. So for that they have a Special Olympics which started in the year 20 July 1968. It started in July 1968. This Special Olympic was established for the disabled people who are physically not fit, means they are having some problem in any part of the body. So your job, your work is to find out the names of famous sports person who have participated in the Special Olympics. So your work is to find out the sports person who have taken part in the Special Olympics in which event. Okay, so let's start the poem. The athletes had come from all over the country. Athletes means those who are physically strong, those who work hard to run for the gold. Yes, all over the country. पूरे देश के लोग इस ओलंपिक में पार्ट लेने आए. Olympic क्या है? What is Olympic? Olympic, if you have seen, in Olympic there are 5 rings. Okay, like this. Like this, there are 5 rings. Have you seen? Yes. And these 5 rings are which color? Blue, yellow, black, green, red. So Olympics, and the background is white. Okay, the symbol of Olympics is you have blue color, yellow color, black, green, and red. And these 5 colors indicates the 5 continents. Okay, Olympic means athletes should be faster, higher, and stronger. Okay, the definition of Olympic means the athlete, the participant should be faster, he should be higher and stronger. So in the Olympics there are 5 rings, which is blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and red color. Okay, this 5 color indicates the 5 continents. Blue, like blue, 5 continents: Oceania, Africa, Europe, Asia, and America. Okay, so where blue is for Oceania, yellow is for Africa, black is for Europe, green is for Asia, and red is for Americans. Okay, so the athletes had come from all over the country. पूरे देश के लोग इस ओलंपिक में भाग लेने आए. Special Olympics means disabled people, those who are having a problem in some part of the body. कोई किसी आंखों में maybe okay आंखों या पैर में कोई भी है. To run for the gold. Yes, उसको gold जीतना है. For the silver and bronze. So for the first, who will come first in the race will get gold. The one who will get the second position will get the silver, and third who will come get the bronze. Like you know always. Many weeks and months of training all coming down to this game. Many weeks, कितनी मेहनत के बाद, कहने हैं कितने मेहनत हफ्तों के बाद, वीक के बाद, दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं उस गेम्स होने से पहले, और तब जाके वो वहां पर गेम खेलने आते हैं. देखो हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट्स का रूल क्या होता है बेटा, वो एक ही एम से आते हैं ग्राउंड में, हमें जीतना है. पर जीतने के लिए ट्रू स्पोर्ट्स स्पिरिट होना चाहिए. हम तो कोई जीतने के लिए रफ गेम खेलते हैं, फॉल करते हैं, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. This is the first answer. Second answer says the spectators. Spectators means audience, crowd gathered around the old field. एक बड़े से मैदान में लोगों के वहां पर क्राउड लग गया. To cheer them. उनको चीयर करने के लिए आए हैं. To cheer them. Spectators gathered. The spectators gathered around the old field. Gathered means इकट्ठा होना. ओल्ड फील्ड, पुराने से फील्ड में, मैदान पे सब स्पेक्टेटर्स मींस क्राउड, ऑडियंस. द टू चीयर ऑल यंग वुमेन एंड मेन. यंग वुमेन, ओके, एंड मेन. मेन इज माय प्लूरल. ओके, वुमेन इज माय प्लूरल. सिंगल इज मैन एंड मेन. सो टू चीयर में हौसला बढ़ाना. टू encourage them, yes, you can do it, yes. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew higher. Final event. So these participants were all excited. Final day was there. Approaching means coming closing. Excitement, khushi grew high on began. Suppose you have taken part in any event and you know that tomorrow is your day to part another. So that excitement that comes, that is in our mind. That same excitement was there in these athletes. The blocks were lined up, all those who would use them. So blocks means जैसे tracks have you seen? I will just show you. Wait. I will. Okay, means over here, if you've seen, this is a ground where the tracks are made. Like this, tracks are made. 100 meter race is going to be there. So where this is the starting line, this is the ending line. So where one athlete or one participant should be on one track, like this, there are 9. There are 9 of them standing. So 9 tracks were made. The blocks were lined up, all those who would use them. So those participants or those sports person who have to take part, they are all lined up. Okay, and how they are 100-yard dash. So 100 yards meter. So it was a race of 100-meter race was there for them. And before starting, the announcer was announcing them with their names, 100 dash, and the race to begin. Before the race starts, the name were announced. Like if you must have seen the sports in IG school, how like any 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter relay. So the anchors or the announcement committee team, they announce the name of the participant with their houses. Vishal, red house; Rakesh, blue house; Mukesh, green house; Vikas, yellow house. Like this. So they say the 100-yard dash announced the names. There were 9 resolved athletes in the back of the starting line. So there were 9. So 9 of them were there in the starting line. That's why 9 gold medal. So these 9 who have taken part in 100-meter race, they all have got this now 9 gold medals. Poisoned posed for the sounds of the gun. Yes, you know, see, on a mark, get set, and then they also go, they use the gun, trigger दबाते हैं और race start हो जाती है. Okay, as you have seen in the sports day or GI. So they have a like sound, clutcher, cut, and then they start. So there were 9 resolved athletics. Okay, 9 resolved athletics determined. They were all standing with one aim, to win the gold. सोना जितना गोल्ड मेडल जितना है. So इससे तो क्या होता है, और जितने भी एथलेटिक्स हैं यहाँ पर, सब दिन रात परिश्रम करके मेहनत करके वहां पर उस दिन में वेट करते हैं. अब वो घड़ी, वो समय आ चुका है बच्चों के लिए, उन एथलेटिक्स के लिए दौड़ जीत के गोल्ड मेडल जीतने के लिए. अब जब ग्राउंड में आए तो उनको पहले अनाउंस किया गया उनके नामों से. सब एक एक करके ग्राउंड में अपने ट्रैक में आए, उनको बोल दिया आपका ये ट्रैक है, आपका ट्रैक. पर हमें द रूल इज, अगर ट्रैक चेंज होता है, इफ द वन हु इज टेकिंग पार्ट इन रेस, अगर वो रेस वाला ट्रैक चेंज करता है तो ही इज डिस्क्वालिफाइड. तो ये हमें ध्यान रखना है कि हमको जो ट्रैक में दिखे हमको उसी ट्रैक में दौड़ना है. आई कैन नॉट चेंज द ट्रैक. हाँ, अब उनको नाम से बुलाया गया और उनको एक एक ट्रैक दे दिया गया. तो 9 जो एथलीट्स थे उनको 9 ट्रैक दे दिया गया और बोला आपकी 100 मीटर रेस शुरू होने वाली है. तो उनको बोला टेक योर पोजीशन. सो ऑन योर मार्क, ऑन गेट. अब ऑन योर मार्क जब बोलते हैं तो ये मतलब कि वी हैव टू बेंड लिट, वी हैव टू, हमारा जो नीज है, नी है, घुटना वो नीचे रहेगा. गेट, हाफ विल लिफ्ट द नीज एंड दे डोंट से गो. दे यूज दिस गन, पिस्टल एंड फायर. हवा में गोली चलाते हैं, ठक, और जैसे ही गोली चलाते हैं द एथलीट विल स्टार्ट रनिंग द रेस. Poison for the gun sound. The signal was given. The pistol exploded. मतलब गोली चलाने की आवाज आई. पड़क, धूम. And so did the runners all charging hard. और जैसे ही गोली चली, जैसे सिग्नल हुआ, all the 9 participants, 9 athletes, they started running and to win the gold medal. But the smallest young them of the among means among is my preposition. उस 9 में से जो सबसे यंगेस्ट था, yes, the one who is shortest, youngest is my superlative. Youngest is my superlative degree of comparison. अगर मैं बोलूं young, no comparison, positive. Younger, comparison में two noun. Youngest, superlative, third degree. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered. Okay, so situation was very tensed. जैसे रेस शुरू हुई, जो सबसे छोटा था उस रेस में, वो गिर गया लड़खड़ा के, उसके पैर लड़खड़ाए और गिर गया, and fell to the special instead. Situation was tense and stressful. Okay, and fell to a spot instead. और जैसे वो गिरा, situation became stressed and tensed. Okay, so this is the first part of the video. Okay, now this is the first three stanzas we have done. First four stanzas, first, second, third, page number 90, right? Now we'll go with the second part of the video from page number 91.